Monkey has question. Simple question. Sounds stupid, but isn't. What is money? Monkey uses money every day, every single day. But if Monkey asks you right now, what makes money money, most monkeys freeze. Eyes go blank, brain goes quiet, because nobody ever explained it. And that's the problem. Because right now, biggest fight in jungle is about this exact question. One side screams, Bitcoin is money, future of everything, revolution, freedom. Other side screams, Bitcoin is scam, Tulip 2.0, dangerous toy for gamblers. Both sides are loud, both sides are confident, and both sides are probably half right. Today, Monkey settles this. Not with opinions, not with hype, not with fear, with logic. Pure jungle logic. Monkey will explain what money actually is. Then Monkey will hold crypto up to the light and see if it passes the test. If it does, and it's money. If it doesn't, it isn't. Simple, no bias, no tribe, just truth. 8 minutes. Let's go. First, Monkey needs to go back, way back. Before banks, before coins, before paper. Back when jungle ran on pure survival. Monkey has fish. Monkey needs coconut. Monkey finds coconut. Monkey says trade. Fish for coconut. Done. This is barter. Works fine when jungle is small. But jungle grows. Monkey has fish, needs coconut, but coconut monkey doesn't want fish. Coconut monkey wants wood. Wood monkey wants feathers. Feathers monkey wants fish, but lives on other side of jungle. Now what? Monkey walks 3 days to make one trade. Barter breaks. Jungle needs solution. Needs something every monkey wants. Something every monkey trusts. Something every monkey agrees has value even if nobody eats it or wears it. Jungle needs money. And here's the secret. Money is not a thing. Money is an agreement, a story that all monkeys believe at the same time. Piece of paper is worthless, but if every monkey in jungle agrees that piece of paper buys coconut, then piece of paper is money. Magic trick, collective hallucination, beautiful and fragile. But not any hallucination works. Money needs to pass 3 tests. Only 3. Economists have argued about this for centuries, but always come back to same 3 tests. Test 1, store of value. Can monkey put money in a hole today and dig it up next year and still buy coconut? If yes, passes test. If money rots, melts, or loses value overnight, fails test. Test 2, medium of exchange. Can monkey walk into any cave in jungle and trade this money for goods? Does every monkey accept it? If yes, passes test. If monkey has to explain what it is or beg merchant to take it, fails test. Test 3, unit of account. Does jungle price things in this money? Is coconut 3 coins? Is tree 200 coins? If monkeys think in this money, measure in this money, compare prices in this money, passes test. If nobody prices anything in it, fails test. 3 tests. That's it. Anything that passes all 3 is money. Anything that fails even 1 is not money yet. Remember that word, yet. Now monkey grabs dollar. Green paper banana that every jungle uses today. Test 1, store of value. Does dollar hold value over time? Short term, yes. Monkey can save dollar this month, spend next month, buys roughly same thing. But long term, dollar fails slowly. Inflation eats it. Dollar from 1970 buys maybe 15 cents of stuff today. And that's 85% of value gone. Slow rot. Dollar passes test 1, but with a limp. Test 2, medium of exchange. Can monkey spend dollar anywhere? Yes. Every cave, every merchant, every jungle on earth knows the dollar. Try to pay with anything else and merchant laughs. Dollar crushes test 2. Test 3, unit of account. Does jungle price things in dollars? Coconut is $2. Tree is $300,000. Every monkey thinks in dollars. Dreams in dollars. Dollar destroys test 3. Score. Dollar passes all 3 tests. Not perfectly. Inflation hurts test 1, but overall, dollar is money. No question. Now monkey grabs Bitcoin. Shiny digital coin. Orange logo. Lots of noise. Let's run same 3 tests. No emotion, just logic. Test 1, store of value. Can Monkey put Bitcoin away today and dig it up next year with same purchasing power? Monkey bought Bitcoin in November 2021 for 69,000 bananas. 1 year later, worth 16,000. Lost 77% of value in 12 months. Then it came back, then dropped again. Is that a store of value? Honest answer is complicated. Over 10 years, Bitcoin went from zero to tens of thousands. Long-term trend is up, way up. But in any given year, Monkey might lose half. Gold doesn't do that. Dollar doesn't do that. Even bad stocks rarely swing that hard. Bitcoin passes test 1 over very long time horizons. But for Monkey who needs to pay rent next month, Bitcoin is a roller coaster. Stores value like a trampoline stores a ball. Technically, yes. Practically, nerve-wracking. Test 2. Medium of exchange. Can Monkey walk into any cave and pay with Bitcoin? Monkey tries to buy coffee. Barista stares. Monkey tries to buy car. Dealer says we don't accept that. Monkey tries to buy groceries. Cashier calls manager. Some places accept Bitcoin. More every year. El Salvador made it legal tender. Some companies take it. But today, right now, in 2026, vast majority of jungles on Earth do not accept Bitcoin for daily purchases. Monkey still needs to convert Bitcoin to dollars to buy coconut. Bitcoin fails test 2, not completely. Progress is real, but Monkey cannot live on Bitcoin alone today, not in most jungles. Test 3, unit of account. Does any monkey price things in Bitcoin? Is coconut 0.00003 Bitcoin? Does Monkey think in Bitcoin? No, nobody does. Not even Bitcoin maximalists price their lunch in Satoshis. They check the dollar price. They convert. Always convert. Bitcoin fails test 3. Not even close. Score. Bitcoin passes 1 test with asterisks. Fails 2. By classical economist standards, Bitcoin is not money, not today. But hold on, Monkey isn't finished. Because saying Bitcoin isn't money doesn't mean Bitcoin is worthless. Gold isn't money either. Nobody pays for coffee with gold bar. But gold has been valuable for 5,000 years. Why? Because gold is a store of value. A savings technology. A hedge against governments printing too many paper bananas. And this is what Bitcoin actually is right now. Not money, not currency. A savings technology. A bet against inflation. A digital vault that no government can open, no bank can freeze, no border can stop. That's not nothing. That's something powerful. Just not money. Not yet. And now Monkey grabs the other side. Central bank digital currencies. CBDCs. Governments saw crypto and panicked. If monkeys can create their own money, government loses control. Control of money is control of jungle. So government said, fine, we make our own digital banana. Same technology, but we control it. CBDC passes all 3 tests easily. Store of value, same as dollar. Medium of exchange, forced by law. Unit of account, same unit as existing currency. It's money by definition because government says it's money. But here's the dark side nobody talks about. Cash is anonymous. Monkey pays cash, nobody knows. CBDC is tracked. Every banana, every transaction, every purchase. Government sees everything. Knows Monkey bought what, when, where, from whom. And here's the terrifying part. Government can program the money. Don't like what Monkey said online? Freeze his bananas. Monkey bought something government doesn't approve, transaction denied, expiration date on stimulus, spend it in 30 days or it disappears. This is not conspiracy. Central banks have published papers about programmable money. It's the plan. Written down. Public. So crypto world gives Monkey 2 choices. Bitcoin, free but volatile. No government control but also no stability. CBDC, stable but surveilled. All the convenience, all the control. Wild jungle versus zoo. In the wild, Monkey might starve, but Monkey is free. In the zoo, Monkey gets fed on schedule, but Monkey lives in a cage. Most monkeys don't see it this way. Most monkeys just see number go up or number go down. But the real question was never about price. Real question is about power. Who controls the money controls the monkey. Dollar is controlled by 12 monkeys in Federal Reserve and government that prints whenever it's convenient. Bitcoin is controlled by math, code, network of computers that nobody owns. CBDC is controlled by government with a microscope pointed at your wallet. Each has trade-offs. None is perfect. Monkey who tells you one is perfect is selling something. So what does monkey do with all this information? First, understand that money is a technology. It evolves. Shells became coins. Coins became paper. Paper became digital numbers in a bank. Next step is already happening. Whether it's crypto, CBDC, or something nobody invented yet, paper bananas' days are numbered. Second, don't fall for tribalism. Bitcoin maxes who say dollar is dead are wrong. Dollar has the biggest army on earth behind it. And central bank defenders who say crypto is a fad are wrong. You don't get a multi-trillion market cap from a fad. Third, protect yourself. Monkey doesn't need to pick a side. Monkey needs to understand all sides. Keep some dollars because jungle runs on dollars today. Keep some Bitcoin because it's the best insurance against governments who print too much. Avoid putting everything in one basket because every basket has a hole somewhere. And fourth, watch the CBDCs closely. Because when government offers you convenient new digital money, read the fine print. Convenience always costs something. And when money becomes programmable, the programmer has more power than the printer ever did. Money is a story. Dollar is a story backed by government and military. Bitcoin is a story backed by math and scarcity. CBDC is a story backed by surveillance and control. Stories change. Stories compete. The story that most monkeys believe wins. Right now, most monkeys still believe the dollar, but cracks are showing. Debt is sky high, printing never stopped. Trust is eroding. Monkey doesn't know which story wins in the end. Nobody does. But monkey knows this. The monkey who understands all three stories survives no matter which one wins. The monkey who only knows one story is gambling without knowing it. Monkey has spoken. Now go study the stories.